Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be doing our 100 sub special. I thank all the viewers and subscribers for supporting the channel, and today I'll give you a little special treat. Which is larger, 1 plus 1 over 100 to the power of 100, or 1 plus 1 over 999 to the power of 999. As usual, we will jump right into the solution, but you're more than welcome to pause and give it a try. So we could make some simple observations here, such as 1 plus 1 over 1 to the power of 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 over 2 to the power of 2 is 2.25, and 1 plus 1 over 3 to the power of 3 is 2.37 in some decimals. But the main thing is, we note that 1 plus 1 over 1 to the power of 1 is smaller than 1 plus 1 over 2 to the power of 2, smaller than 1 plus 1 over 3 to the power of 3. And if we try other numbers, such as 4, 5, and continue on, you will find that this pattern actually holds. So we make a guess. Is 1 plus 1 over n to the power of n smaller than 1 plus 1 over n plus 1 to the power of n plus 1 for all natural numbers n? And intuitively thinking, this is actually true. And here is a really nice and elegant solution that I found. So firstly, let x1 equals to 1, x2 equals to x3 equals to all the way up to xn plus 1 equals to 1 plus 1 over n. And by AMGM, we will have x1 plus x2 plus all the way up to xn plus 1 over n plus 1 is larger than the n plus 1th root of their product. And note that the equality does not hold, as not xi are equal, because since x1 is 1 and x2 all the way to xn plus 1 are bigger than 1. So we will have 1 plus 1 over n to the power of n over n plus 1 smaller than 1 plus 1 over n plus 1 after simplifying the above inequality by substituting these values of xi. And to finish it quickly, we will have 1 plus 1 over n to the power of n is smaller than 1 plus 1 over n plus 1 to the power of n plus 1 for all natural numbers n, which is a really nice result. It shows that 1 plus 1 over n to the power of n is an increasing function whenever n is larger than 0. So recursively, we will have 1 plus 1 over 100 to the power of 100 is smaller than 1 plus 1 over 101 to the power of 101, and all the way up to 1 plus 1 over 999 to the power of 999, which concludes this proof. I thank you all for your support. I know this video might be a bit late, as we've reached 100 subscribers actually a month ago. I thank you all for supporting me, and I hope to do better in the future. I hope you liked this little treat, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and we will see you next time.